The graph below shows a function f of x, looks like that, on intervals 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 13. So I care about stuff between 0 and 13. That picture checks out. 5 coordinates labeled BREAD. Sounds like a word. BREAD. Yeah, it checks out. One of the 5 points coordinates represents a local maximum, so that would be u. One represents a point of inflection, so that would be U, IP for inflection, you know what I mean. And 1 point represents a local minimum, that would be U. Let T sub B, T sub R, T sub E, T sub A, and T sub D represent the x coordinates at those coordinates. So you would be, I guess, I mean, it looks like 0, but instead of calling it 0, you would be the point like T sub A something, and you would be not T sub A, T sub B, because we're going in the words, T sub R, and so on and so forth. It's kind of stupid the way they did that, but it looks like a problem on the practice test. That's why I did it this way. Of the following, on which of the intervals is the rate of change increasing at a decreasing rate? Well, if you're wondering, what the heck is increasing at a decreasing rate means? Well, a decreasing rate implies concave down. Increasing up implies going up and to the right. So increasing at a decreasing rate implies the left side of concave down. Now, the only spot that shows me the left side of concave down is in between B and in between R. You are decreasing at a decreasing rate. Now, this guy is concave up, so you are decreasing at an increasing rate, and you are increasing at an increasing rate. So this is what I want. I went between B and R, so they're not going to just be like, hey, select B and R. That's not how they want us to do it. They want us to say, all right, well, the x value for B is T sub B, and the x value for R is T sub R, so we're going to select A and only A. So where was the calculator necessary in this one? Nowhere. Nowhere at all. You will find that in the calculator portion of the AP exam, you're only going to use the calculator for about like maybe 60% of the problems, which you're like, oh, that's still more than half. It sure is, but it's not all of them. So don't go searching your calculator for something to do with this. There's no numbers except for these. It's just making sure you understand the vocabulary. Okay? Tricky, 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 weird, weird, weird. Hope this helps.